Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit a password added to Google Passwords Autofill. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and this gray switcher next to Use Autofill with Google if it's not already on. Following that, click on Passwords and tap on the one that you wish to edit. In my case, my Netflix one. Enter your current login method. Select Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you finished, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my saved password was successfully edited. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!